Good afternoon, Room 33 scholars. Today we are going to talk about how to divide. So we do know that dividing or division is separating into equal groups. So you're going to have a large number and you're going to have to work towards separating this larger number into smaller groups. So we're going to take a look at some different strategies that we can use to find the answer to our division statement or division problem. All right. So the first strategy, we're going to take a look at 15 divided by 3. So the first strategy is to use our part whole model. All right. So if you guys remember, the total goes in this top box, or the larger number, since we're doing division. Now, this bottom part of our model should be separated or have the same number of boxes that we are dividing the total into. Okay, so we are dividing 15 into 3 equal groups. So since we're dividing into 3 equal groups, we need to make sure we have 3 separate boxes. Okay, now how do we find our answer? We count up to the total, but every time we count, we put 1 dot in each box. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So, as you can see, I have my total, and for every time I counted, I placed 1 dot in each box until I got to the total. So now I count and see how many dots do I have in each box. So I see I have 5 in each box. And since I have 5 in each box, I know that 15 divided by 3 equals 5. You see that? If you are doing this strategy and you come up with different amount of dots in each box, you did your counting wrong, and so you have to start all the way over. All right. So let's take a look at another strategy. Okay, we can use multiplication. All right. This is real simple. Our problem is 15 divided by 3 will equal what? So I have to figure out 3 times what number will give me 15. So 3 times what number will give me 15? Well, I know that 3 times 5 will give me 15. So if 3 times 5 is 15, then 15 divided by 3 will give me 5. Okay? Now, let's use a different strategy. Let's use subtraction. All right? We're going to use subtraction. We're going to start with our total, and we're going to subtract the number of groups we're separating our total into. So since we're separating 15 into 3 equal groups, I'm going to subtract 3 from 15 until I get to 0. Okay? I'm going to subtract 3 each time until I arrive at 0. Okay? Now I'm at 0. So now I have to count how many times did I subtract 3 from 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I subtracted 3 from 15 5 times. So that means 15 divided by 3 will equal or give me 5. All right. One more strategy. Okay. We could find our answer by making groups. So my total here is 15, so I can make 15 dots. Okay. 15. All right. 15 dots. And so what I can do is I can circle groups of 3. Can circle groups of 3. Okay? So now each one of my groups have 3 dots in them. Now I can count how many groups do I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So that means 15 divided by 3 will give me 5. All right. So there you have it, room 33. You're going to be given some division problems. You can use either one of these strategies to help you find your answer. You can use the part-whole model. You can use multiplication. You can use subtraction. Or you can make groups to find the answer. Which strategy will you use?